Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M30s. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box and you can see it here already in the middle. So just remove the rings here and you have it like this. Otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below that SIM tray there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and as you can see we can insert two SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. So very nice. Let us start now with the first SIM card, put it in that position here. So missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. It will have this position here. So also missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and also optional is to extend the internal storage with a micro SD card. So we have to put it here in that position. So this one you enter until you hear the click. Okay, now it's fixed and has to look like this then finally. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and after you put back your construction into the phone, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. Yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.